So you want to start freelancing as a designer or editor, but you've got zero experience. No fancy portfolio, no paying clients, maybe not even a proper laptop. Relatable. We've all been there. But guess what? You can totally start from scratch. No degree, no expensive courses, no secret handshakes. In this video, we're breaking down how to start freelancing as a creative with zero experience and still land real clients. Let's make this make sense. First up, let's talk mindset. Freelancing isn't a Netflix montage. It's not all chill cafes and MacBooks. It's DMs that get left on read. It's projects that don't pay. It's your own brain saying, are we even good enough? But if you're willing to hang in there, things start clicking. You get creative freedom. You pick your own hours. You build something that's yours. Just promise this. Give it 6 months. Show up, learn, keep creating. This isn't a shortcut, it's a slow climb. But the view? Worth it. Now for the skills. You don't need a 50K course or a certificate that gathers dust. You need YouTube and your internet connection. That's it. For design, try Canva, Figma, or Photopea if you're broke but ambitious. For video editing, we started with CapCut and DaVinci. Premiere came later. Watch creators like Zimri Mayfield, Justin Odisho, Gareth David Studio, and yes, subscribe to Aftervision too. Do this. One creative piece a day. Doesn't matter if it's bad. We've all made cringe. Cringe leads to craft. But I don't have clients. How do I make a portfolio? Easy. Fake it till you make it. Create mock projects like rebrand a fictional coffee shop. Edit a trailer for your fave Netflix show. Design an Insta post for a trending product. Make a meme ad. Go wild. Post your work on Instagram, Behance, Notion, anywhere you can link to. You're not lying. You're showing your skill in action. Clients don't care if it's real work. They care if it's good work. All right, time to hunt. Getting your first client is like dating. Awkward at first, but then it gets easier. Try this. DM small businesses, like your local bakery or influencer auntie. Offer a freebie, a logo, a reel, a thumbnail, something small. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, and put yourself out there. Expect chaos, it's part of it. Let your friends and fam know you're freelancing. Your cousin's startup might just be your first gig. You only need one yes. That's your launch pad. So someone gave you a shot? Don't fumble it. Be on time. Seriously. Don't ghost. Communicate like a grown-up. Always over-deliver. Add a bonus design. Do a surprise edit. Make them go, damn, this person is a find. That's how you build your rep. Skill brings clients in. Professionalism keeps them coming back. Got a few clients? Feeling the vibe? Time to level up. Raise your price gradually, not like you're Elon Musk. Make neat little packages for services. Start showing your work on social media, even the behind-the-scenes stuff. Collaborate with other freelancers. That's literally how Aftervision started. One client turned into 5. One designer turned into a team. You grow 1 gig at a time. Then one day you wake up and realize, wait, I run a whole creative thing now? Pure serotonin. So, whether you're 16 with a cracked phone or 26 mid-existential crisis, freelancing is for you. If you made it this far, drop your skill in the comments, design or editing, and we'll keep making helpful stuff just for you. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We're Aftervision, your creative crew on the internet, and we're rooting for your freelance glow up. See you in the next one.